What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having an awesome day. In this one, it's going to be unboxing video. As you have read by the title, I do have the Glossybox for the month of March, and I'm quite excited to go ahead and share with you guys what we have in this month. Of course, I have the box right here, so it comes in this pink box that looks like this. Now, if you are not sure what Glossybox is, it is a beauty monthly subscription. You can choose to pay for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, and the box usually costs 15 euros per month. But if you sign up for 6 or 12 months, you save a little bit more. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box, find out what we have in here. So here we go, and of course straight away we can see how the inside looks like. So it looks like this. We always get, of course, a magazine that tells us what's inside and the prices and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take this ribbon off, and of course we can see that everything is still sealed, so that's what we want already. So this month the theme is, of course, Beautyholic audition, which is of course this one right here. So yeah, that is that. And then we also get this coupon for mostly you can shop online, so we get this one here as well, and of course the instruction at the back there on how to sign up if you want to buy this online. So yeah, that is that. Now let's go ahead and open our goodies. So I'm just going to take off this. And oh, we have quite a lot of product in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and start showing you guys what we have in here. And the first thing I see is, of course, these are refreshing aroma tissue. I have both of them here, so they look like this. And these ones are from House of 4711. So that's how those looks like. Of course, you can refresh your hands, and they're quite handy. So yeah, those are the first thing that I see in here. And let's see if they have any price for this in our book right here. All right, so looks like these are like bonus. So yeah, those two there. And the first flavor we get here is white peach and coriander, which is of course this one here. And we also get lime and nutmeg, which is this one here. So yeah, can't wait to use those. Lovely. Those are the first product. And then what else we have in here? Oh, we have double effect makeup remover, cleaning and calming for eyes and sensitive areas. Removes waterproof and long-lasting makeup. And this one is from Kueshi, if that's how you pronounce it. So it's this product right here. So it is of course a makeup remover that looks like this. So that is the product we get over here. All right, not too bad. I mean, I do have lots of makeup removers, but you can never have enough. So yeah, that is that. And that's scented. Can't really smell anything, but that is that right there. What else do we have in here? Okay, we get a mascara. This one is from Aiko London. That Aiko London, yeah, which is this one right here. So it looks like that. It comes in this blue packaging, and at the back here it says everything goes with black mascara. All right, let's open it and see how this. Oh, okay, so Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curls looks like this, the packaging. So right there. And designed for after hours seduction, our unique brush creates drama, volume, and curl combined with an extreme carbon black water resistant finish. Okay, and how does, oh, so it is like a curved kind of one that looks like that. You can see the brush, how it looks like that. All right, so that is of course a mascara from Aiko London that we get in here. I mean, you can never have enough mascara. I mean, I go through mine like like no other. So that's good that we get this one here in there. And then moving on, we have something from Catrice Cosmetics. You guys know I use their product a lot, and this one is Instant Awake Concealer. Okay, so cover, hydrate and wrinkle in the shade 010 Cool Beige. Okay, the shade looks quite light for me, but that's how this looks like. Of course, you can see right there. And it does have this squeegee kind of tip right here where the product comes. If my camera can, thank you very much, here we go. So that squeegee, where the product comes out, so that's lovely, but the shade looks too light for my skin, so this could be like a giveaway or give to family member or friends. All right, and next up we have something from Alvede Cosmetics. Now this is a brand that is of course located over here in Germany, and I use their product a lot. They are natural products, so I really love their product. I love their mascara. I use them actually. I think I have one somewhere right here if I can find it. I'm not sure where it is, but yeah, I use their product a lot. So this one is, what is it? It is a lip oil. Okay, that looks like this. So yeah, that's how it looks like. And of course this one does have contains, let me just quickly have a look. So contains apricot seeds and almond. Okay, so lovely. All right, let's just have a look. Oh, look at that, you guys. It does have this cute tip there. Okay, that's lovely. I've never seen something like that. I mean, at a at the lip oil. Okay, that's interesting. So that is, oh, and that smells so fresh and so fruity. Lovely. Wow, the tip was really looking awesome, you guys. That is cool. That is something that I definitely, look at that, interested in seeing. It does have like this like more like a metal kind of finish over here, but that's interesting. So that is from, of course, Alvede Cosmetics, all natural product. Love their brand, and their product is of course awesome. Let's move on. What else do we have here? Okay, so we have something from 8x4, and this one is deodorant, zero aluminum, and we have the flavor of fresh lime, which looks like this. So a deodorant from 8x4, and this one is number 7. You can see it written there, number 7, and fresh lime flavor. Okay, let's quickly. That smells very fresh, citrus, fresh. I like the smell of that. Okay, and of course, like I said, it contains zero aluminum, which is quite cool, but it does have alcohol, of course. I mean, it's quite hard, I searched for so many like deodorant that contains like zero alcohol and zero aluminum. It's quite hard to find. If you guys know any deodorant out there, let me know down in the comment section below. I would really love to check those out, because why not? All right, so that is the deodorant, and I really do enjoy the smell. It smells really fresh. When you've got like fruits, fresh fruits, it's not like really lime kind of smell, like a fresh lime, not like that in a strong way, but it's just like in a fresh way. So that is lovely. I like that. So yeah. And next up here we have, what do we have here? We have, of course, something from Benefit, and this one is their 24-hour brow setter. Okay, so I'm guessing this one is a brow gel. Yeah, brow gel for setting up your brows. Make sure that those hair are put in place and put without moving all day. So, and it looks like this tiny little bottle right here, or packaging right here from Benefit. So that's how that looks like. Let's open it. Okay, so we do get this tiny brush that of course you can use to to just apply the product right there. You can see how it looks like. So that is that. All right, not so much of the product in here. Yeah, we're not getting much here. It's like 2.0 ml of product we're getting here, so you know, it's more like a sample size, I would say. But yeah, and this one is one of those that is of course a bonus. We don't have the price for this one, so yeah, that is that. But I've never used, you know, their brow gel before, so I'm quite interested to see how this one is going to work. It says here, wow, that's in so tiny writing, but let me try if I can read it. It says 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. Get invisible 24 hours. That's another language there, but anyway, okay, we'll try them. I mean, my hair always, you know, sticks out, so if I can get them to stay put, that would be lovely. I have been using this one from Essence, and yeah, not really my favorite, which is this one here, so I'll definitely give this one from Benefit a try to see how it's going to perform. So yeah, another bonus. And then our last product in here. Oh, this I'm excited about this one, you guys. Okay, this is from Seattle, London. We have Stamp and Drag winged liner. I heard good things about this product, so we are talking about this one, guys, from Seattle, London. This product right here. So that's how it looks like, and we have some eyes over there. So that's how, you know, the finish is supposed to look like when you apply this product. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Okay, so it comes in this black packaging, and it's this one right here, Stamp and Drag. So it's double-sided. So this side here is, of course, we have our tip, okay, which looks like that right there. That's how it looks like. Or should I do like this? Maybe you can see better. Yeah, here we go. And that's how it looks like. And of course, you do get these like really fine lines you can create using this, so that's lovely. And then on the other side, we do get this stamp. Oh, that's awesome as well. Just do like that. If you can see, looks like this. I did hear good things about this product, you guys, so let's give it a stamp somewhere. Oh, okay. Look at that. So you can create those. That's lovely. For example, if you're a beginner, you know, in applying eyeliners, I think this would be perfect, you know, to just like, you know, just stamp and then use the other side to kind of fix if you made a mistake. So I like the idea of this, and definitely I'll give this one a go. Maybe I'll do like another video of me testing this product, but I find this one really cool. So that is awesome, you guys. And yeah, what does it say here? Create flawless winged liner looks with this double-ended stamp and liner duo. Okay, so awesome. And I've already showed you guys the, you know, how your eyes can look like. They do have some examples right here on the box, so something like this, you know. So that's awesome right there. You can wing your eyes out. Yeah, lovely. So that is that everything in the box. So that is everything that is of course included in the March box, you guys. Can I just say that this box, I mean, now that I look at the product, because we have, you know, these two over here and the one from Benefit, those are like bonus, right? And they're like mini size. So the only full size that I can see here is probably, what is it, the deodorant, makeup remover, and mascara, I mean eyeliner. But you know, the rest are more like a mini size really. So to be completely honest, I mean, this box does not really excite me as much compared to, you know, to the previous Glossybox boxes that I have unboxed here on my channel. So I mean, I'm excited about this wing, you know, the wing liner from SWATCHES. Definitely this is something that I'm so looking forward to be using in the whole entire, you know, packaging, and probably giving the benefit, you know, this gel, brow gel, a try as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As for the rest, they don't really excite me that much, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm really hoping that next month's box, it's going to be something that's gonna make me like go wow, you know what I mean. So I'm looking forward to see what the next month's box brings, definitely. So yeah, let me know, you guys, down below, what do you think of this month's box? What do you think of the product? Do you find them exciting and all that good stuff? Let me know. I would really love to hear your thoughts on the March Glossybox product. So yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. And we do get a sneak peek on the April box, which is of course our Blossom edition. Ooh, we get a sneak peek here. So right there, that's how it looks like. Okay, that's already exciting. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and definitely some of these goodies in here, I will be trying them in my upcoming videos. I can do like just a dedicated video of me playing with the SWATCHES London liner. That I'm excited, and you know, the other product as well, I can try them. So let me know if you want to see something like that. But that's it for today. Go have a good one. Lots of love, you guys. Take care, and I shall catch you all on my next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.